In this video, let's see how to enable Bitcoin payments for subscriptions on your Ghost site. New to Blockonomics? Welcome aboard! We're all about privacy-first crypto payments. No KYC, no compliance hassles. You'll find all the tools you need right here, and our support team is ready to help you out anytime, 24/7. Now, let's jump into the tutorial. Let's say you have a subscription page set up with 3 tiers: free, Pro Access, and Visionary Support. Both Pro Access and Visionary Support offer annual and monthly rates, just like you see here. As users scroll down, they'll see a Buy Subscription with Bitcoin button. When they click it, they'll be taken to a form to complete their purchase using Bitcoin. First, they'll pop in their email and pick the tier they want, say Pro Access. Then, they'll choose how long they want it for, either annual or monthly. After that, they just hit Pay Now to finish up. They'll get the Bitcoin address to send the payment to, with the amount set to the monthly rate for Pro Access. Now that you've seen how it looks, I'll walk you through how to set this up on your Ghost site. Stick around till the end, and feel free to ask any questions along the way in the comments section. Head over to Blockonomics, sign up with your email and password, or just sign up with your Google account. All right, let's get your wallet set up. Head over to Blockonomics, open your dashboard, and select Wallets. Click on Add a Wallet. Need more help? No worries. There's a detailed video on wallets on the Blockonomics YouTube channel. In this example, I'll add a wallet from Electrum and name it Ghost Subscribers BTC Payments to keep things organized. Next, let's add the XPub. Open Electrum, click Wallet, and select Information. Just copy the master public key and paste it in. For the receiving address, go to the Addresses tab and pick any address marked with Type as Receiving. Click on Create Wallet. And that's it. You're all set with your wallet. Head to your Blockonomics dashboard. Navigate to the Buttons and Links section, and under Payment Methods, ensure the button is toggled on and select the destination wallet you set up earlier. Your wallet is now linked. In your Ghost account, go to Settings, search for Integrations, and under Advanced Integrations, click Add Custom Integration. Name it Blockonomics, click on Add, and feel free to add a description or icon. Then click on Save. Visit the Blockonomics website. Under Resources, click E-commerce Integrations and search for Ghost. On the Ghost integration page, scroll down and click the link to the Ghost utility page. There you go, we got the Ghost utility page. Next, we are going to gather the following details from your Ghost account: Content API key, Admin API key, and API URL, found in your Ghost Blockonomics integration settings. Copy these and paste them into the respective fields on the Ghost utility page in Blockonomics. Once done, click Save. Next, go back to your Blockonomics dashboard. Under Buttons and Links, click on Products and create a new product. Name it something like Ghost Subscribers, BTC Payments, then set a placeholder price of $1. This placeholder won't affect your actual subscription pricing. Customize the product code and description as desired. And create a thank you email for your subscribers, which they will receive upon payment completion. Now, set up some fields for your payment page. Add email ID as a field, then add 2 custom fields: tier and duration. These will automatically sync with your Ghost subscription tiers. Once done, click Generate Widget, copy the UID, click Save Changes, and paste it into the Ghost utility page. Then click Submit. For the final setup, the Ghost utility page provides 2 steps: adding HTML code to your subscription page and setting up the order hook URL. First, copy the HTML code from the Ghost utility page. In your Ghost subscription page, add an HTML block, paste the code, and update the page. You'll now see a Buy Subscription with Bitcoin button appear. Next, copy the order hook URL from the Ghost utility page. Return to your Blockonomics dashboard and under Buttons and Links, click on Options. Paste the order hook URL into the order hook URL field and click Save Changes. Now, let's test to ensure everything works. Add your email, select a subscription tier and duration, and click the Pay Now button. You'll see a Bitcoin address and payment amount. Go back to your Blockonomics dashboard, click Log or Test Bench, select Blockonomics button as the store, and add the address and amount shown on the payment page. Mark the status as Confirmed and click Send Test Payment. Once done, check the payment page. You should see a success message. What appears after the thank you message confirms that the transaction was a test payment. Customers will also receive a confirmation email from Blockonomics. As the site owner, you'll find this order listed under Buttons and Links in the Orders section. And that's it. You're all set up. If you have questions, let us know in